welcome back my beautiful peeps. So today I'm up on HQ, you know, say right now what me having in my hand here, on snook. So I go on peeps? Yeah man, look what I go on. 8 pound, 3 ounce. So guys, we are gonna do some curry snook today. You see it? Yeah man. So that one is curry snook, Jamaican style. So stay tuned. We're outside. I call it time and a great fish bush there, so guys. Yes man, so peeps, stay tuned. Curry him up there now. Look at him. Get a good look at him. Yeah, chop him up right now, you see? Alright.
Oh, what that? Come thing.
Outside now, you know? So, what I'm gonna do now, we have a fish scrape off already. Angle the camera look a bit. Okay, going tomorrow. So yes guys, as me I say, we get this clean up and now cut it up in about some 1-inch slice. Yeah man, there are some slices, you know. So we have the machete sharp already. Now we have the knife sharp, see it? So we are gonna do cutting belly. So him did I eat, you know? So peeps, reason why I don't see the catcher still, you know say, I want them daily. Me and bush fish bush go up on the sea. You see me? Up on the sea and we are throw 2 line and finally get a grab, you know? You remember we always tell you say something else a grab a line. Yeah man, finally get a grab. But we never go for do no video, so anyway we come back and say we are gonna just go on a cooking video, you see me? Yeah man. I don't know now people and things, so they are doing one thing, is it? So, you know, showing the blood in the ball. I just take out where I eat and thing. And eat cat. Oh, imagine them big man. Watch a bush. Liver, everything. Eh? You want it? Eat that? We don't want to eat a Boss? Green. Si opa sa ada parte ko dira. Eh? Come here. Chop it. Dan tinggalkan kau tahu finger man. Kot just a bit. Ano ato sure bit pa yun. Watch finger no. Yes, cut out yung pin niya. Ah, wala moving ka. Kasi nga sharp. Kapot? I'm getting, water eh. Peeps, you know we can't too show blood pa eh. YouTube. So, I get to wash off same time, is it me? Kasi kinda ugly camera sa far. Ewan, so sa all subscriber, new subscriber, big up on yourself, is it me? Yeah. So we have right now we have fish with these, is it? Peeps, lay up on the side. I finished cleaning up right now, and we are showing you when we are cutting the slices. See? Start the camera finish. My peeps, we are chopping up on some slices now, so we got him out and everything already. Yeah man. So we're gonna do scoring first. Okay. Alright, so we're gonna make soup with the head when I did them peeps. So this, we're gonna drop this in the fridge. You see this now? Score it up. Straight down so. Just like that. Yeah man. Yes, man. Just like that, the beeps. One inch cut size. Sorry about that. I know, say, mark one in skin. Mark one in skin, no? Chop off this. I don't carry my shit with Amari. Pass the finger, please. Eh? What is it? Yes, boss. Want some carry? Want the pause? Yes, man. So come in. Chop him up. Come in.
Go long.
What? Ay! Chance me a boom myself with the knife. What? Chop in, see me, man.
No, man.
Oh, you cut? Chance me cut off your wing.
This one on top.
Your wing. Yeah, man. They say we are dispatch this, guys. So we have finished dispatches. And watch out now. Peeps have some nice cuts, so you see them. So probably I'll cook about this much. And then go refrigerate the rest. And yeah, no, let's stay. Can cook about this much, guys. You know, a nice amount of it, guys. So this much. I will boil some soup with this. This can cook the next day, guys. So I go on. Yeah, man. So that we cook tonight. Curry, Jamaican style. Snook, curry snook. That is it. See here, there? Soup that I go in. That's my beautiful peeps. So time to get some season on the fish now. The snook. So we have about 20 all-purpose here. So you want to get all the meat, guys. Let it soak. Alright. So we have some authentic Jamaican jerk season. You know, we have add a whole of this to cause a good amount of meat. You see me? Yes, just like that. Alright, so what we want to do, select our jerk season olive. We want to get some from the other side too. See it? Just like that. After peeps, we kind of leave look water in it so they keep the fish them moist. Don't want them dry out too much, you see me? Because we're not going to fry them too long. Yes, guys. Alright. So, you want to add some sea salt. Some sea salt right here. That's the original salt. So you don't know, we're still not cook without the original salt, even though we soak the fish in the original salt, peeps. Yeah. That is it. So we have some whole heap of okra, pepper, and we have some rice right here, guys. I bought some rice tonight. We have a roast breadfruit right here, so we add some of the seasoning where Auntie give us. Yeah, man. So stay tuned. Chop up some okra and pepper, some scallion and onion. I finish season this, and I'll show you what I'm going to go in the pot. My peeps, so I will boil now. I'm fully boiling now. So I go on. That is it, man. Cool. Yeah, man, the people who never know this, you have some fish naturally have oil in them itself, you see me? So that's why you see the big blaze there. But some fish, that's a little blaze, you see me? See there? So a pepper over there, so we'll burn at the oil. That is it, man. See. Yes, now check. Fish now. I'll do a thing like this, I make sure you don't stick up my pot. But hot. Looking good. Peeps, so the pepper can go now. You see what going on, people? I'm going to close up look at now on the chicken. Looking good, man. Looking so good. Look what I got. Yeah, man, so you want to keep rotating them because remember, guys, we are currying them down, so you know we not have to fry them crisp because we eat now and go miss. So you outside, I'm alone there now, guys. Over there, I'm going to shift up some curry. Yeah, man, the guys, I'm going to hold it fresh after we finish bait. Hold it fresh in food shape. You see me, peeps? That is it, man. You outside like all the time, I say. Old subscriber, new subscriber, big up on yourself, peeps. Without you know, this is not possible. You see? Yeah, man. There, we go on a 1 hunt. Why? I tell you, we never go for video, peeps, but we did come up with something, a big crocodile down there and thing. So we never did even a thing so we don't even catch nothing like this. You see me, peeps? We go on place named Shine Bridge. You see me? I will show you the bridge in the video. See that? See it? Yeah, man. Shine Bridge. Right, man. But peeps, as I say, remember like, share, subscribe, because without that, the video not going to be seen. And watch it at some time. That is it, man. All the time too? Yes, my peeps, so this is the last set of fish. Okay, so I roll the pot, you know, so you know me have to do give them a chef style, you know. Shake up pot, make it all distribute and make it fry even. So you don't know the pot thin, no man. Can't hold water. Thin. Anyway, that's the Isle of peeps. And we'll get the fish and finish fry. When after the fish and fry, we'll throw the aisle, get a different pot, put it on the fire. And you don't know we'll burn the curry. Just stay tuned, I'll show you the process same way, you see me? So outside without no fear. I eat put it up on the scene, you know, I'm just a forward on the scene. You see me, peeps? See there? Love the thing forward there, peeps. So yeah. yeah man, this is when I run the big boat in the peeps. I'll go to see them with, you know? Them man in the front, see that peeps? When me asleep in them, man, see them man with line there, man. The man sit down on the engine, having line in hand, so. And the man, fish on. Yeah, man, that's easy, peeps. Our first night, like, going there in a boat, experience, man. See them with line left and peeps. See ya? Man, sit down with the line in their hand. And they man, fish on, and they man sleep, you know? Tell you, man. Peeps, you outdoor life, nice. Just try it, man. Yeah, man. If you feel like you're stressed too much, just go to the door. See water, your mind relax. You see, peeps? Yeah, man. If you don't want to come upon two of them, look how thing you can link me sometime, man. If you're not available on certain time, because you know sometimes when you're busy and things, peeps. But we're there. You're outside, you don't fear. There, cook some snook. You know, man. That is it. Yeah, so yes, my peeps. So I go on. Well, fry down. So we have on the pot, we will curry them now. So what we do? Fry curry them. You know, curry fry now. Fry curry, because you fry it first and then you curry it after. Anyway, guys, I'm going to burn the next pepper in that indicate when the oil hot. So after I burn pepper, I'm going to burn the curry. Now, so peeps, I'm going to add the curry in the pot because I don't know a wood fire, so you know I'm burn up the curry now. When the wood fire go fire, you know, man, can't turn down so easy, you know. You see me, I say? I ain't say me, I say. Yeah, man, so let that go and burn. So I go on. Yeah. So we don't want it burn out too black in them peeps. So do a thing like this. Yeah, but on the right track. Add the ground peas there now. Yeah. That is it, man. What's it, peeps? Okay, my peeps, so here we are going. So you want the curry soak in and fish them now. That's what I'm going to fish them. I broke up now. Alright. Yeah. Now I black them. Yes, my peeps. So I'm going. I try to pack the pot in and pack the pot like a pit. Yes, I pack pit. Pack the pot, you know. So I go on peeps. So what you want to do? Get the seasoning up and stuff so you can get the fish in on the ground. Here's my peeps. Yeah man, so smoke a bun up me now man. Outdoor cooking, you know. Alright, I want to try my best to get the bigger fish and not broke up in peeps. So you see that? Contain a bun, a broke. So you see, after I put in them pieces, I can just throw in them little pieces. See them? Alright. So you see that? That's all of the love and the riches in the peeps. So we are going to now. I'm going to cover that down a little bit and make it simmer down. Look where I go. I'm showing where I go. I cover that down a little bit and make it simmer down, my peeps. You see me? Make the flavor marinate the fish. But peeps, so time to add the water now. Wow, patat man. How you glad? Do you glad?
No, throw all of them pepper there night.
The mud? Yo. Yeah, man. So I wait that bubble up now. I'm showing what I got. Peeps, so I take a peek in the pot now. Whoa, yo, curry fish. What's that now? Iced tea, easy no man. So the okra peeps are bubble up outdoor, you know. So you guys them just a follow there. Watch a pick a lunch over this roast piece of breadfruit peeps. I come grab a box in my breadfruit and ice cream. Yo, wait this are the guys. Yo, breadfruit and ice cream. Yes man peeps, so I give this about 2 more minutes and take it off because we know I cook out all of the gravy, you see me? Peeps have the rice, you know? Yeah man, watch out now. What's the style lah? Peeps, I see food done there. Fish and mash out, you know. It looks like chicken. Yeah man, so catch well deserved, you know. Yes man, my peeps, so I show you what I'm going to mash up the food, you know. So I'm going to eat the whole heap of gravy sprinkled with rice and peeps. So I know if you not look for rice alone, yeah, so take out in a cup and think over here, so, you know. But as I eat my food, when food different, me eat my food, so. Yes, my peeps. So we are going to eat some food and now. Chop a lunch over there, eat food, the peeps. I have on a shirt, so I do one video, you know. Yeah man, so look what I go on. This rice, I know. Some okra. That one. This is SNOOK now, peeps. Curry SNOOK. I've washed off the pin bone, you know. But so far, bad. If you want me to cook it, peeps, it's bad. Just me, bad. Is it me? Come on. Catch well deserved, peeps. I'll drink some Pepsi now. I know the food nice, but the African them just dip in that and but I go and take my time I eat, you know, a fish bone night. What's up, peeps? Big old flake, yeah. Finish it this, like, share, subscribe, don't forget to hit the post notification bell. Food nice. Guys, them over there enjoy themselves. How they eat food same way, you see me?
Yo, that video and delete it, yeah?
So yes my peeps, so remember like, share, subscribe. We outside. Remember, hit the post notification bell. There.